Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Math Lab. Today, we are going to learn the ultimate time-saving trick, the square root rule. Do you remember this number from our last class? 1147. It wasn't divisible by 2, 3, 5, or even 7. So what do? Do we have to check 11, 13, 17, all the way up to 1146? Checking every number would take forever. Today, I'll teach you how to stop early using the square root rule. To solve this mystery, we need a new tool called the square root. Don't panic, it is actually very simple. Imagine you have 36 blocks. I want you to build a perfect square with them. The width and the height must be the same. What is the length of one side? Is it 5? 5 times 5 is 25, too small. It is 7? 7 times 7 is 49, too big. Yes, it is 6. Because 6 times 6 is 36, here, this 6 is the root of 36. The square root. We write it like this. The square root of 36 is 6. Easy, right? We are just looking for a number that multiplied by itself makes the original number. Now, let's play detective. We're looking for the factors of 36. Here's the golden rule. Factors always work in pairs. They never work alone. Let's list them. First pair, 1 times 36. Small partner, big partner. Second pair, 2 times 18. Third pair, 3 times 12. Fourth pair, 4 times 9. Detective, do you see the pattern? As the front number gets bigger, the partner in the back gets smaller. And then they meet exactly in the middle. 6 times 6. This is the U-turn point. This is the square root. What happens if we pass this point? The next pair is 9 times 4. Wait a minute. This is the same couple as 4 times 9. It is just a mirror image. Here's the conclusion. If you didn't catch the small partner before the square root, the big partner cannot exist. Why? Because the big partner needs the small partner to exist. So, we only need to search up to the square root. Anything after that is a waste of time. Back to our mystery number, 1147. What is the square root of 1147? We know 33 times 33 is 1089. 34 times 34 is 1156. So, the square root of 1147 must be around 33.8. This means we only need to check prime numbers up to 33. That is it. We don't need to go to 1146. We just saved a ton of work. Let's start the investigation. Is it 11? No. 13? No. 17? 19? 23? 29? No. How about 31? Let's divide. 1147 divided by 31 is 37. Bingo! We found the factors. 1147 is equal to 31 times 37. Case closed. Congratulations! You have mastered prime factorization. You can now find the DNA of any number. Level 2 cleared. But what if the number is gigantic, like 100 factorial? In level 3, we will use the power of primes to control these monster numbers. See you in the next level. Bye bye.